Sorry about the echo of it. You just hear it. Okay, you're gonna have to live with it for this video. Alright. Turn on full screen. Done. It's a lot of clicking. Okay, so we're gonna go back down to our world.
Is that Sean? Is that Sean? You texted me. I just got the text now. Looking for Aiden's number?
Okay. I believe that our mode check this option difficulty easy. Yes, so we are set to easy. Sorry that I haven't been doing this for like a month. In about a week or so. Roughly a week to 2 end up in the house. But I don't think I was. It's I got a new YouTube channel that I would like you guys to check out. It's not mine. It's a guy whose name is Brendan Miller. I mean, maybe you guys aren't into to stuff that he makes. It's just because he doesn't do Minecraft. He fishes, and he does a ton of really good fishing videos. Probably should check him out. And he actually goes and builds a lure out of it and fishes with his lure. For example, pine needles. And he catches a bunch of bass. Yeah, at first, his first design doesn't go too well. But I ain't gonna spoil it anymore, so. My computer's lagging so much right now. Oh, good. Oh, great, even more. It's starting to half decent place, but of course it's gotten old. But I'm doing one anyways. I haven't played Minecraft for like a month. So what we might do is, we may not only do this, we might do a little build. But, I have a genius idea. I would like you, my viewers, to leave in the comments below what you'd like me to build on a creative world for my next video. Guys, I think, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Let's create a new world. Let's call it YouTube. So we're making a super flat world, and I'm thinking maybe that we should do some different stuff on there that you guys leave in the comments below. This takes forever. I don't like this. Loading the world, building terrain. Oh, there's barely any terrain to build. It's just a bunch of flat places with a tad bit of water in there. If you guys will ever decide to watch Brendan Miller, Brendan's Fabulous World of Fishing, that's the YouTuber I was talking about before. I don't think I might not have mentioned him, the actual name. There's Brendan's Fabulous World of Fishing. If you ever decide to watch him, you'll realize that he likes tea. And he likes to have a lot of it. It's pretty cool. Okay. Let's make the worst thing about next weekend, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's next weekend. You know, it's in the back door for me. When I go camping, I am going to do some fishing videos, which will be brought for your entertainment. And you guys can watch that and find it enjoyable and stuff.
Jordan.
By the way, I'm not 100% sure what a blacksmith shop looks like, so I'm taking an estimated guess. Whoopsies. So yeah, let's do some weapons. No, we're not gonna do done actually, because that doesn't look too original.
Gregory was my favorite brother. What are you doing?
So that's my brother. We'll put a couple more.
The echo.
Yeah, Sean, there you know. Whoa, nope, not what we wanted to do. I'll just be a second here. Okay, that's what we'll do. We'll scramble them up with not making it look too like. That'll do. Let's see here. Put some like item frames on the wall, hanging up some stuff, if you know what I mean. Okay, in this one, we'll put normal.
Yeah.
Alright, no. And then I do booties. Oh, 2 boots. I got boots and 1 sword.
And 1 sword.
And we'll just make this interesting. If not me, but you. And we'll just make this upside. No, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna do it as right now. I might do a bit of editing to
What
it.
is that?
Small blacksmith shop. bs104 blacksmith. Down the shop didn't want to show up on the screen. Okay.
Build a mountain. What are you doing? Why are you turning it off? It's the dumbest thing you can possibly do. This is going on YouTube.
I'm not too sure. I think this is the world. Please be the is. Okay.
What is that?
Leave it in the comments if you knew what this was before I tell you. It's a trailer, by the way.
It's a trailer.
So anyways, let's go see inside this trailer. I built this last time I was screen recording, but when I was screen recorded, I didn't want to save it. Get nice inside. I gotta say, it was a good building.
Wow, don't say that. Don't say they're good.
Okay, the windows. Let's go to sleep in bed in our trailer.
I like your cactus. It looks pretty.
Yes, and everybody falls out of the bed and lands on the cactus and dies. Just gonna hop out of our little trailer here. Well, I was thinking.
So 6 blocks.
Yes, this is 6 blocks. Time to count. Okay, let's make this a blue truck because I like the color blue on the truck. Again, this is only on YouTube, so. Alright, so we are building this thing half decent size.
You guys up there, I'm scared of you too.
He's talking to the ones that are scared of him, I think.
What?
Which is most likely at this point in time, a bunch. Do you know what's funny though about this little truck here we got? It's longer than our trailer. It's very sad. Okay, so we only need about. No, because now it looks like an 8. sort of slab. I mean, black could work. I know this is gonna look really weird. Those are good enough brake lights. Okay.
You made it.
Insulting somebody on the internet. That is mean. Okay, now that looks better. Not too much better, but a tad better. I mean, what was it before? Was it? Oops. Yeah, it's a block of coal. I guess what, they're all now. Slab instead. I mean, another brick slab.
Yeah. Lapis slab.
I mean, that would be nice. I mean, I guess for design, that's okay. Anyways, guys, so there you have. There's our truck. What have to do? Yeah, we're backing up. Back up and hook up to this trailer, which is so fair. Again, I'm gonna want you to leave in the comments below what you want me to make next video. And I also want you to check out Bacon Madness, Brendan's Fabulous World of Fishing, Rhett and Link, and AK-47.
And Good Mythical Morning.
And Good Mythical Morning. So, this is bs104, signing off.